Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can share your live location with others in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do that, go ahead and select the person you want to send your location to. After you do so, you can see the plus icon on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and you can see location. Tap on location and now you must give your device the location access. Go ahead and tap on while using the app or only this time and you can see that it will detect the location. So you can go ahead and click on share. As you share it, your live location will be shared and wherever you go, this person which you send this message to can check it. So if you want to change it, you can just go ahead and tap on it and you can just go ahead and pin this if you want as well. So you can go ahead and do this. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.